Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here at Remote Philippines Shops. So now let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. Now let's all welcome once again Miss Dayanara Esguerra or Miss Dayan. Hello Miss Dayan, good afternoon
Hi,
once
Miss
again.
Ryan. Good
Hello, how's your
afternoon.
day so far?
Okay naman po.
Okay, that's good. I love the energy. Okay, so alam kong nakakain ka na ng lunch. So
Yes po.
now, let's proceed to our testimonial interview. So my first question to you, Miss, or before we start with the questioning, can you please introduce yourself first to our audience or our viewers?
Okay.
Like, first.
Hi guys. My name is Dayan. I've been in RPJ for almost 1 year now. Turning 1 year this July na. And so far, from the first day, nag-enjoy pa rin kahit mag-1 year na ako sa kanila.
Wow, that's good. Hindi na burn out, parang ganon. So
Ay,
that's good. No?
walang ganun.
Tagal ka na pala dito, Miss. O magmo 1 year na. So I'm really hoping.
Yes po, sa July.
I see. Okay, so, hoping the more years to us, di ba? Hanggat meron pang RPJ, nandito pa rin kami. di ba?
Yes
So,
po.
to start with the questioning, Miss, let's start first with the personal growth here, or your personal growth here at RPJ. So, what's something about yourself that improved since joining here at Remote Philippines Shops?
Yung nagkaroon ako ng new knowledge kasi po yun nga po, nag-start ako as no experience po. So, wala po akong ka-idea kung paano maging VA or paano gawin yung data entry na job or position. So, yung knowledge po talaga is malaking bagay sa akin kasi lahat ng kailangan kong matutunan is na-provide po ni RPJ. And then, from data entry na task, yun po, nagdagdagan po siya ng parang nag-edit-edit na rin ako ng mga story for social media yan. So, para sa akin, mas okay yung gano'n kasi ang dami kong natututunan. Yan.
True, I agree. Other people, you know what, Miss, I do love that kind of, mindset of yours. Kasi other people would think of it as a negative way na parang paiba-iba yung task, ganon. But in my case, or in your case also, I believe that it's a great opportunity for us, right? Especially parang startup pa lang tayo in this industry. So it's really a good opportunity to, to not just focus on one niche. And it's really important in the VA industry, right, to not just focus on one niche, I mean. Para kasi meron tayong maibibigay, 'di ba? Kung anong kailangan ang hinihingi ng ating, clients or our bosses. So I love that mindset of yours na you're open to, other opportunities and not just focusing on one. 'Di ba? So I love that. And the next question I have here, Miss, before this job, before 1 year ago, what was one thing you struggled with personally or professionally?
Struggle ko po 1 year ago is makahanap ng work. Yun po talaga. Kasi sobrang hirap maghanap ng work, lalo na pag wala kang experience. Lalo na kung ang hinahanap mong work is work from home. Yun po, sobrang hirap maghanap ng work from home jobs na tapos wala ka pang experience. And ano pa ba, yun lang po yung struggle ko noon. Kasi tapos yun nga po, since wala akong experience, wala akong idea, kada interview ko, parang ang gusto nila is meron kang experience, alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin. So parang yun, it's a good thing talaga na nahanap ko or biglang lumabas sa FYP ko si RPJ. Kasi nga, yun nga, nagulat din ako na nagtatanggap sila ng walang idea, walang experience. Yun po.
Right, 'di ba? Parang in this year 2026, sobrang hirap makahanap ng client, to be honest talaga. Sobrang hirap makahanap ng client, direct client. And it's so rare nowadays, especially in an agency, na makahanap ka or naghahanap sila or nag-hiring ng walang experience, nag-hire ng walang experience, 'di ba? Kasi karamihan talaga hinahanapan ka na, okay, what's your work experience that is related to the job description, parang mga ganun, 'di ba? So, good thing talaga here at RPJ. Yung skills lang talaga yung parang dala-dala mo. Ganun, dala-dala mo. Kailangan mo personality, attitude mo, yung skills mo, kung alam mo, you be honest. Yun lang talaga yung dapat mong dalhin, yung confidence mo para makapasok ka here at RPJ. Although, we don't require VA experience or any experience, no, but having one, guys, is an advantage as well. Hindi naman din parang tinitain ko na lang din yung parang experience nyo, mga ganun. So, it's a good thing talaga. RPJ talaga is a good thing for, parang career shifters, kanang mga newbie ngayon. So, it's really important then to parang it's really not easy right now to find a job or direct clients, especially in this industry, in this industry, hindi talaga madali. Nowadays, kaysa nung mga pandemic pa, sobrang dali lang. Pero right now, I don't know, sobrang hirap na talaga makahanap ng client ngayon. So, that's one thing I realized also here, working at RPJ, na I'm thankful or we are grateful na tumatanggap ang RPJ ng mga applicants na walang experience. So, that's what we are grateful of. Okay, next question I have here, Miss. How has this experience or your role right now changed your confidence towards everything, especially regarding work?
Tumas po yung confidence ko dahil na rin siguro po sa mga, sa ka-workmate ko tsaka sa boss po natin. Kasi ano po, parang grabe yung trust nila sa atin. Yun po, parang bibigay sila ng task, tapos magbibigay sila ng kung paano gawin. Tapos, yun na po, parang ibuboost nila yung confidence mo na sasabihan ka ng boss mo na, I know you can do this, kagano'n. Parang i-encourage ka niya na nakaya mo to kasi parang siya mismo yung boss mo, nakikita na may potential ka talaga. Unlike, di ba, syempre newbie ka, so parang hesitant ka pa sa sarili mo. Pero kung gano'n naman yung boss mo, syempre parang yun po, na-boost pa yung confidence ko. Tapos with the help rin po ng mga ka-workmate ko, mababait po kasi yung medyo malapit, yung same position po. Sa akin po siyang nakaguide din.
Wow, yun talaga yung maganda here at RPG, no? It's because of the people. And I totally agree na. Parang yun lang din naman yung gusto natin. Merong magpupush natin. Kasi kahit isang thank you lang yan, you did a great job, yun lang yung mga salitang kailangan natin para magpursige ng magpursige, di ba? Parang nakaka-boost siya na, okay, I need to do more, to do my best kasi na-appreciate hard work natin. And it's really fulfilling in our part, di ba? True, I totally agree with that one. So, next question I have here, Miss, is in regards with the real work experience or your real work experience here at RPJ. So, my first question would be, was there a task that you thought you couldn't do at first, but now it really feels normal na lang?
Yes po, yung unang task ko po kasi is lead gen. So, parang maghahanap tayo ng leads. So, parang sa akin, parang di naman, syempre wala pa akong experience. So, parang di naman ako ganun kagaling doon sa task na yun. Tapos nagulat na lang po ako na kinausap ako na akong quality assurance or quality controller kasi nga po nakita nila na yun po, lahat po ng leads na naipapasa ko is pasok sa criteria. So, parang after a month, may growth kaagad na nangyari sa career ko. So, from taga-bigay ng leads, naging ano po ako, parang taga-check ng mga ginagawa or pinapasa ng VA po. So, parang na-promote po ako agad after a month na na-hire ako kay RPG. Yun po.
Wow, sobrang dali naman. Talagang kung
After a month.
gagawin mo lang talaga yung best mo, di ba? Meron talagang promotion here at RPJ. So, gawin yung inspiration si Miss Diane, guys, na gawin niyo lang talaga yung best niyo, gawin niyo lang talaga yung tama. In just a span of 1 month, na meron na siyang promotion. So, hindi talaga imposible. No, hindi talaga imposible. So, it's such an inspiration to everyone, Miss Diane. Thank you so much. Okay, so next question I have here, Miss. What motivates you to show up and give your best every day?
May motivation po is yung anak ko po. And yung, syempre, hindi kasi ako stress sa work eh. So, parang hindi ako, parang kasi pag stress ka sa work, parang bago pa lang pumasok, pagod ka na. So, parang ayaw mo nang pumasok. Unlike dito po sa RPG, since hindi nga po ako stress, so parang motivated ako lagi pumasok and na-enjoy ko yung work ko. At the same time, yun nga po yung anak ko, naalagaan ko pa siya kasi nga work from home, non-voice tayo. So, kahit nasa tabi ko siya, okay lang, nakakapag-focus pa rin ako sa work. And ano po, yun po, syempre nabibigay ko yung needs and wants ng anak ko. Yun din talaga yung motivation ko po na pumasok everyday.
Wow, and the RPG was able to provide that goal naman, Miss. RPG was able to provide naman with that certain like parang financing or finance of you para maka-provide sa anak mo in terms
Yes,
financially.
yes.
Wow, so it's really great, no? Lalo na for me, no, right now hindi pa ako makaka-relate with those mom, but grabe talaga yung dedication ng mga mothers. Talaga, parang pagka meron akong mentor na testimonial, they say talaga what motivates them talagang yung mga anak nila parang gano'n. So I don't know, siguro soon maano ko na yan, mag-deal ko na yan, but right now talagang yung mga testimonial, what really motivates them is their family or their children, gano'n. So grabe talaga yung pagmamahal ng mga ina natin just like you. So it's really an inspiration, no, na it's not parang hindi hadlang, di ba? Hindi hadlang talaga na makapaghanap ng work or VA work really provide sa mga financial aspects in our life. So that's really a good answer, Miss Diane. So next question I have here, Miss. What's one lesson that this company or RPJ taught you that you'll carry for life?
Siguro po yung lesson is yung trust sa tao. Yun po talaga, hindi ko makakalimutan kay RPJ. Kasi sila yung unang company na nagtiwala sa akin na lalo na po pagdating sa task, hindi po sila takot mag-experiment sa tao nila na, ay, kaya niya to. So, syempre, kung nagtiwala sa yung boss mo or yung client mo, magtitiwala ka na rin sa sarili. Yun yung lesson na